All right, in this tutorial, I am going to show you how to access your old artifacts from your courses on Blackboard. So we're going to start by, we just logged in. We're at the Blackboard homepage institution page. So at the bottom left here, it says Tools. We're going to click on Tools. And then we're going to click on Portfolios. There's nothing here, so we're going to go to My Artifacts, and we're going to go to Add from Course here. And then there you go. Here's all the courses we have taken and all of the assignments that you turned in. So if I click on this one, I can actually see the assignment and I can download it at the top right here where it says download.